Sir, can you see the slides?
Yes, I can see acid bases are properly written
Yes,
by
sir.
Sri Raghav M.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Okay, sir.
Very good.
Acid, bases, and salts.
Yes,
Today, I am going to start with this chapter
very good.
by presenting some slides.
Hmm.
So, in this chapter, we will learn about acids, bases,
Very
and
good.
properties of acids and bases.
Exactly good.
We will learn about strong acids and weak acids, and
Hmm.
some strong bases and weak bases.
Okay.
And we will learn about neutralization reactions
Wow.
and neutralization in everyday life,
Hmm.
and we will learn about indicators,
Huh.
and we will learn about normality and pH,
Wow.
and we will learn about salts, types
Hmm.
of salt, hydrated and anhydrous salts,
Huh.
and then we will finally have some
Miss,
quiz.
you are revising the whole page, right? Huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Acid base salts whole topic.
Yes, whole topic. Yes, yes, sir. I think you are covering every topics. Okay, let us
Yes,
see.
sir. That's why I am covering all
It's a
topics.
very important chapter. I hope so, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes.
Important, even useful for NSCJS exam, sir.
Yes. NSCS as well as your exams, FTRE also, right?
Yes, sir. For FTRA also we will have, sir. Will
Yes,
be
yes.
like revision also.
Good, good, very good. Yes.
Those substances which are sour in taste are acids, but the real definition is an acid can also be defined as a substance which on dissolution in water furnishes H plus ions as the only positive ions. For example, hydrochloric acid and sulfuric acid. Next are bases. Those substances which are bitter in taste are bases. A base can also be defined as a substance which on dissolution in water furnishes OH minus ions as the only negative ions. For example, sodium hydroxide NaOH and potassium hydroxide KOH. Classification of acids based on the source of origin.
Hmm.
Many acids are obtained from parts of plant and some acids are produced by animals also. These are called as organic acids due to the fact that they are primary sources of or origin or living systems. They
Hmm.
can also be synthesized in a laboratory.
Hmm.
The acids which are synthesized from the minerals obtained from the earth's crust are called mineral acids.
Hmm.
These mineral acids can further classified on the basis of various characteristics. So I'm going to show some pictures.
Okay.
Like for acids, organic acid I have classified as a tabular column. Like
Hmm.
acetic acid, we can get this acetic acid from vinegar, ascorbic acid from lemons,
Hmm.
citric acid from all citrus fruits,
Hmm.
tartaric acids from tamarind and grapes, lactic acid from curd, malic acid from grapes, and oleic acid from olive oil, and stearic acid from mustard oil,
Hmm.
palmitic oil from palm oil, and
Sir, can we get malic acid from apple?
Let me speak. Yes, yes, sir, if possible.
yeah.
From the
But sir,
application
I
malic
have
acid also.
written some sources.
Okay, let me speak. Okay, it's good
Wait,
only.
sir.
Yes,
Then
yes.
formic acids from stings of ants and insects,
Hmm.
uric acid from urine,
Hmm.
oxalic acid from tomato, and butyric acid from rancid butter.
Exactly.
These are the sources and
Excuse me,
acids
sir.
from organic acid.
Wait.
I have a doubt, sir.
What you have doubt?
What is rantic as butter?
Rancid butter.
Yes, what
Rancid
is that?
butter.
It's a type of butter. There will be some butter formed inside. There will be some acid and water formed inside the butter, and it will give a different taste
Actually,
than usual butter.
wait. Who is asking this one question?
Harini
Harini, I
Srinivasan.
think.
Harini. Harini, actually, rancid means unpleasant. Okay.
Okay,
In
sir.
taste wise, okay. So when butter undergo oxidation, means due to some radicals, so it will give to some unpleasant. And during oxidation, some this compound is formed. So in which we can say the butter has been become distaste, which have some bad smells coming outside. Okay. So it is a type of
Okay.
reaction happens, and during this rancid, butyric acid compound is formed, right? So this taste becomes your unpleasant. That is called rancid. And rancid means the food become the oxidized, which is giving the unpleasant and bad taste, right? That is called that is word is called rancid. RANCID. Please, please,
You can
children.
see
So,
over here, right?
yes, yes. Where?
Here you can see, right, rancid butter.
Uh, so that's why he asking question. Zero to rancid butter, right? And the children,
Sriragham,
if
you can use light.
okay, good, very good. Okay,
Yeah,
yes, good.
okay. Then uh, this
Thank you,
classification is
sir.
upon
Good,
organic
good, very good.
acid, and next we will move on with mineral acid.
Sirago, wait, Sirago. Children, if you have any doubt, anything, you can note down question because whatever he is presenting, all are for the FTRE also. He has given all the important names, so all can be come in the examination, right? Okay, like in oil, olive oil, which acid is found, like that you have to remember. Okay, clear?
Sir, but I haven't gone that much very deep in
No,
law.
no, 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 no. All are in syllabus. Nothing you are telling me outside syllabus. All are in only, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Whatever will be outside, I will just mark it. Okay. Still, you are missing some of the points. You are missing also. That also I will tell you. Okay. You have not discussed that points. I will tell you, but after the end of the presentation. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Next, we now saw the classification on the
Organic
source
acid.
of origin by
Very
organic acid.
exactly.
We will
Very
see
good.
the same thing in mineral acid.
Good.
So
Good. Good.
we have mainly three major acids, which are
Uh,
hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, and nitric acid.
uh,
Common name for hydrochloric acid is muriatic acid, and
very
it
good.
has a formula of HCl. And
Uh,
chemical name of sulfuric acid is oil of vitriol. We can say it as oil of vitriol or king of chemicals. So
exactly.
it has a formula of H2SO4, and chemical name is nitric acid, and common name is, we can say it as aqua fortis,
Fault
and
is.
formula is HNO3.
Hmm.
Then next is properties of acids.
Uh,
They are sour in taste. They are also
yes.
soluble in water, and they are corrosive in nature. They also donate H plus ions in the aqueous solution. They are good conductor of electricity.
Yes. Good. Very good.
We will see about properties of bases. They are soapy to touch, and they are bitter in taste, and some bases are soluble in water, but some are not. So this is an important point. Donate OH minus ions in the aqueous solution, and they are also good conductor of electricity.
Sirago, so may I ask you one question?
Yes, sir.
I will ask from here only. How a base and acid will conduct electricity?
Sir, because they are electrolytes, sir.
They are electrolytes. I know, but how they will conduct electricity? Like in case of metallic in the wires, electricity is conducted through the metals. Okay, but in this, of course,
Sir,
wait,
even
no, no,
sulfuric acid is a good
please,
example.
please, please, wait. Raghav will only give answer. Don't Raghav will give answer, right?
Sir,
Let me.
sulfuric acid is
If,
present in batteries, no, sir. They are
uh,
also a type of acid, so they are good conductor of electricity.
So see what I am asking. Please don't give answer. Only Raghav will answer. If you want to give answer, I will give you a chance. Just raise your hand. I will give you a chance. Okay. Raghav, what is my question? My question is that in the wires, they are metallic conductor. They are solid in state. So wires can conduct electricity through the metals. But in aqueous solution, who will carry the electricity? Electric current. This is what I am asking
Sir,
question.
can I tell?
Yes.
According to the definition, acid will actually these ions, when in water, acts as a charge
They
and
are the source
conduct
of
electricity.
they only conduct, yes, yes. So H plus ion,
That
OH
H
minus,
plus ions and OH
uh,
minus ions
uh,
in the aqueous solution
uh,
acts as a charge power, and they will
yes, 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 good, good.
conduct electricity.
Excellent, excellent, very good answer. Okay, understood everyone? H plus ion and OH minus ion in the solution, they only conduct the electricity in solution state. Very good, Raghav. You can proceed.
So I'm going to define what are strong acids and weak acids. So
Yes, yes.
acids which completely dissociate into ions are strong acid.
Very good.
I actually forgot one point.
Which point?
For both the acid, we must include H plus ions.
Yes, yes, yes.
And for example, we have sulfuric acid here. In this picture, you could see this is how a sulfuric acid looks like, and acid which are partially dissociated and very less dissociated actually are called as weak acid. For example, acetic acid.
or we can say any organic acid. Yes,
Yes, sir. We can also say like carbonic acid, phosphoric
any
acid, like
any
any
organic acid.
organic acids.
Yes, yes, good, very good.
Mainly, the strong acids are generally sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, nitric
Uh,
acid, all these things only.
exactly. Yes, someone want to say something?
Yes, you could. You
Anyone?
can proceed.
Anyone want to say something? No, no. Yes, Siravagar present. Your presentation is very nice. Yes, good.
Yes, sir.
I think it's a revision of the whole chapter phase.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah, good.
Uh, could see here the strong bases have an example like KOH, which is the potassium
Yes.
hydroxide.
Uh,
Here you could see here there is an yellow strip inside it, which is some
inside the
margin,
test tube.
which is magnesium hydroxide.
Hmm.
So this is a type of weak base, and this is a strong base.
Hmm.
Generally, all the generally all like magnesium hydroxide and some other weak bases will
Like
generally.
ammonium hydroxide,
Sir,
magnesium
ammonium
hydroxide.
hydroxide are example
Uh,
of weak bases, but
uh,
for strong bases we have a few like potassium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, and lithium hydroxide, calcium
calcium
hydroxide.
hydroxide. Yes, sir. Good. Calcium hydroxide, lithium, rubidium hydroxide, cesium hydroxide,
These
beryllium
are
hydroxide.
all very strong
Bases.
bases, but
Hmm.
these are all weak bases.
Yes.
So we are going to discuss about neutralization.
Yes, very good.
The reaction between an acid and a base invariably gives salt and water is called as neutralization.
Yeah, very good, very good.
Always an acid and base react together to give salt and water.
Hmm.
In neutralization reaction, one H plus ion of an acid is neutralized by one OH minus ion of the base.
Very good.
That is an important point.
Yes, sir. H
And
plus
when
plus OH will
all
give you
the
the.
H plus ions in the acidic solution are neutralized by the same number of OH minus ions of the basic solution, it is called as a complete neutralization.
Wow, very good. Super answer. Exactly, very good.
The relative amounts of acids and bases required for complete neutralization depend upon the total number of H plus ions in the acidic solution and OH minus ions produced in the basic solution.
Good, very good.
So we are going to study about neutralization reaction.
Yes.
Suppose we have hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide over in this picture.
Yes.
We get this salt,
Salt.
which is sodium chloride.
Yes, NaCl.
And
Very
we
good.
will get water.
Water droplets.
So
Yes.
when hydrochloric acid has a chemical formula of HCl and NaOH, it will release a salt over here, NaCl.
And you get the water.
Because here we can see this H is a H plus ion and OH is OH minus ion.
Yes, sir.
So they will both get cancel each other and we will get an Na and Cl together by this case.
Yes, somebody asking question.
Sir, not a question, sir. I would like to add a point in this.
Yes, you can add a point.
Sir, along with NaCl and H2O, we will also get heat, sir.
Yes, you can also get a heat.
We will get heat, but I just told about this. For some reactions we may get heat, but some we won't. There won't be any heat produced. So I didn't want to add it.
For this reaction, we will produce heat. They will produce
all
heat.
neutralization reactions are exothermic. They will produce heat.
Yeah.
Yes. All neutralization reactions are called your exothermic reaction. So they will give out heat. Okay?
Yes, sir. That's
good.
what I wanted
Forgot
to
to make a point. Sorry.
Yes, no problem. Because while presenting, you will remember later on. Okay? While presentation going in a proper stage and proper manner. No problem. Okay? It's good only.
So we will study about neutralization in everyday life.
Yes, I think everyone getting the pakka revision of this chapter, right?
If any doubts, you could ask questions.
Sir, it's even actually better than the books.
Yes, I
Yes,
think
sir.
better than the Fitzy book, right? Okay, he wrote very nicely, isn't it? I think you can share in the classroom this one, okay? So everyone can take the help of this note, right?
Sir, so I will share this to you later, sir, after presentation.
Okay, no, it's no problem. I have no issue. Your presentation is 90. Yes.
Sorry, sir. So neutralization in everyday life.
Yes.
Sir, I want to tell one thing. If you have any doubt, you can ask. No problem.
Yes.
Slaked which is calcium hydroxide, is added to reduce the acidity of soil. And this is a statement which we will face in our everyday life.
Yes,
Uh,
yes.
then antacid tablets like magnesium hydroxide or cold milk are used to treat acidity by neutralizing HCl in stomach. If we have more hydrochloric acid
In
present in
stomach,
our stomach,
stomach,
we may use some medicines, right? It may contain some medicine and
base,
acids
base,
like
is
base
anti,
like magnesium hydroxide, and these are called as antacids.
exactly, exactly. Good, good, very good. So that will acid plus base will neutralize and they will become the salt. Okay, so that pH will reduce.
And
pH will increase.
we
Yes.
won't
Uh,
much have problem in our stomach, and it will be normal again.
because
Okay.
due to the production of the more HCl, it will give the ulcers or gastric juice. Okay, so that will be balanced.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So the third point is
Hmm.
sting of ants or bees containing HCOOH.
Correct.
This is the chemical formula of formic
Formic.
acid.
Please note down. Okay. Yes. Good.
Yeah,
Then.
this is also an important point. HCOOH means formic acid, and it can be neutralized by rubbing soap like NaOH, which is sodium hydroxide.
Okay.
So this here an acid is formed by the sting of ants and bees, and then we can neutralize this by sodium hydroxide.
A string of wasp contain alkali, so you have to use the acetic acid. Very good.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Have a doubt.
Yes, you can ask it out. Who is asking? Srima is asking. Who is asking? Srima is asking. Okay. Yes, Srima, you can ask me.
Sir, Sri Raghav told that formic acid is HCOH, but acid should be a H plus, and but still in the
Here you can
chemical
see,
formula
right,
it's OH.
H is plus ion over here.
Yeah, but in
Yeah.
OH minus is also there, right?
Actually, this is the formic acid, na?
Yeah, but actually this is the formic acid. But
It
here
should be
there
H
is
plus.
a H plus ion, but I
No,
don't
no, no.
know.
That hydrogen not missing. The hydrogen connecting with the oxygen, that will only give the H plus sign. Hydrogen connecting with the carbon will not give you H plus sign. H plus sign giving when hydrogen connects with the oxygen will give you ion. Okay. Oh, I will tell you after the class, right? Okay.
Sir, this is wrong, sir. HCOOH.
No, this is correct only. I will tell you how H plus is produced. Okay. I'm just
Okay, sir.
noting
Okay,
this
sir.
point. After the finishing this topic, I will tell you how this is your H plus and given. Okay. You
Okay,
can
sir. Okay,
continue.
sir. Okay, sir.
Srimai, I will explain after the presentation, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Your good
Yes.
question. Even I didn't think. Thank you.
Okay. No, I will explain you. Yes.
Sting of
Next.
wasp that contains an alkali can be treated by neutralizing it with CH3COOH.
Very good. Here
This
also
is
H.
an base, then we can use this as
Sir,
an
is it
acid.
washing soda H3COH?
You can use the.
Sir, is it acetate?
It's
No, it
acetic
is called
acid. It's
acetic acid.
acetic acid.
Acetic acid.
Acetic
So
acid.
VAPS also contains formic acid, and it's
Ah.
treated by acetic acid.
Exactly.
And it has so I have didn't mention like NaOH means sodium hydroxide, like that I didn't mention here acetic acid.
So wasp sting consists of alkali remaining, and we have used the acid. Their body consists of formic acid, right? Sting
Yes,
of
sir.
ant. Yeah. And the body of ant consists of they consider formic acid. That's why name of the ant is called formica, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the
Yes,
scientific
sir. Yes, sir. Like
what is the scientific name of ant? It is formica, Formica, because their abdomen, the red ant.
Formica rufa, sir. Actually,
Yes.
Formica rufa. There is a type of ant which
Hmm.
only
I
create.
mean, sir, it's formicidia, sir.
Formitidia. Formica, I know.
Sorry,
Formica.
formicidae. DAE.
No, Formicida is the, I think, family. It's not scientific name. It's actually family. When you are
They
adding
are
AA,
genetic.
when you are adding DAE, it becomes family or something. So scientific name, your zoological name of ant is Formica, and this is genus name. A species I don't know. So you can ask with the biomap. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
she can help you. So Formica is the name.
So fifth point, we have lithium hydroxide, which is a
Yes.
strong base
Uh,
used to neutralize carbon dioxide exhaled by astronauts in submarines.
this is also very good application. Very good.
Yeah. So
Then,
in all these points, we have noticed one common thing. Like whenever there is an acid
OH.
extra in that substance, we can add base. or whether there is more alkali present in that, we can add more acid to neutralize it.
Yes.
So these are some neutralizations in everyday life, and I have mentioned like 5.
No, no, all five are important. All five are important. Even you can see neutralization effect in our teeth also. So that's why when you eat,
Yes,
eat
sir,
the
we eat and we brush our teeth with
we have
Yes, sir. Actually,
as
we
a
have some lactic acid. If we eat curd, will also be there.
yes.
And it
There are
can
lots of
yes, sir. And toothpaste also bases, sir. Weak bases all.
yes, yes, yes. Understood. So apart from this, there are so many other applications also there, but these are the also
But these are
important.
weak
even
neutralizations which we face in our
Exactly.
everyday life.
Yes.
even in the soil, sir, when the soil is too acidic, we add bases, sir.
So
We will
Cultivate
add
more
organic
organic
matter.
matter.
yes, yes, exactly. Very good. You have to
Yeah,
add
but
the
I
organic.
have first is added to reduce the acidity of soil. First point I have mentioned, right?
Good, good, very good, very good.
Then
Next.
Sir, I have a doubt.
we will learn about.
Yes, yes. Someone have doubt. Raghu, wait, wait. Who have doubt?
Sir,
Who have doubt?
sir, do we need any specific acid to neutralize any specific base, sir?
A specific acid? No, 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 no. It's not necessary. Okay.
It's
Actually,
not necessary. It's
if
dependent upon the H plus ions and the
yes, yes.
I have mentioned over here, right? See,
Listen, listen, listen. Actually, what she want to say that if the acid is giving H plus and we use always OH minus. Okay, there are many
dependent
substances.
upon the relative amounts of acids and bases required for a complete neutralization depend upon the total number of H plus ions and the total number of OH ions.
And I think one more thing, she's asking. Actually, I told you that there are different definition of acid base. Did you remember?
Yes, sir. It's depend. But you thought
Yes,
only
sir,
Arrhenius, sir. Lewis salts.
Actually, we have to discuss about the Arrhenius acid. Okay,
Sir, that is
we
classed in portion, so you have
uh,
stopped it, sir.
yes, sir. This is the only we are discussing the Arrhenius acid. So there are acid and base is a different compound, right? So
Yeah, so there are 3 types of acids, but there are more detailed study about it.
actually we have studied only the Arrhenius acid, remaining acid we have not studied. So we have
So
to we
till
were
now we
talking
can remember these are some examples of neutralization in
for only Arrhenius acid. Okay, we have not discussed for the other acid. Other acid is different from the Arrhenius acid, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So whenever we talk acid, we have to discuss only one acid, that is the Arrhenius acid. Means that acid which can dissolve only in water. Okay, if the substance dissolving other substances, they are not called acid. They are called something else, right? It's clear.
Yes,
Okay,
sir. Yes,
so
sir.
there are many substances which are acid, but they are not Arrhenius acid. Those type of acid we are not discussing. Clear now? We are discussing only Arrhenius acid, right?
Excuse me, sir. Two
Yes,
people
yes.
are raising their hands, sir.
I think Srimay and Parvati. Srimay, Parvati, you have any doubt?
No, sir. I actually raised my arms for telling the answer, sir.
Yes, sir. Please lower down. Yes, yes. Because someone have
Yeah.
doubt. Okay, we feel
But
that.
if you want to know, I don't know about
Sir,
these.
what is the formula of lithium hydroxide?
Lithium, can you say the
LiOH, LiOH.
lithium hydroxide? Okay, lithium is monovalent and hydroxide also monovalent. The formula will be
But
LiOH.
actually, we have also limitations and all those things in Arrhenius and.
Wait.
But
Wait, Sirago, leave it. Don't. We'll do next time. And there are lots of students
read
there.
those things because we don't have in syllabus.
No. We can discuss. No problem. Actually, you should know the
Sir,
limitation
for
problem.
FTRE and face exams, all these are not, sir. That's why. Can you off your video? It's blocking my screen.
Who is on in the video?
I think Harini, sir.
Harini, please don't on the video, okay?
And it won't be very clarity for others.
Harini, please stop it. Harini, is okay?
Okay.
Please, because if you on the video, it is the blocking, na? Okay,
Because
after.
that black color thing will come right.
Yes.
So that's why.
Okay.
Yes,
I'll
other
not on the video.
Okay, if you on the video after that, you can also no problem. Okay.
So we will learn about
Yes.
indicators.
Yes, sir. Attention, Harini here. Okay, attention.
Indicators.
Okay, sir.
Indicators are organic dyes that have one color in acidic solutions and another color in basic solutions.
Wow, very good, very good. They are the organic. Remember, they are the organic dyes. Okay, this is not the inorganic.
But
Organic means they are made of
generally
the
an
plants.
important point I will say, like indicators we will think said, they are always neutral, but there are no such thing as neutral. Even water will be slightly acidic.
Yes, yes. No, no, inactive is not a neutral. Who told you inorganics are neutral substances?
Yes, sir, but even some substances like
No, 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 no. Indicators are not neutral. Maybe
Yes, sir.
some.
No things are neutral, sir. Actually.
Yes. No things are neutral. Correct. All are some acidic and base.
Yeah,
Yes,
they will
correct.
be slightly like 7.1, 7.2.
Yes,
like that.
exactly. Yes, yes.
Maybe.
Yeah.
So,
Type of indicators, synthetic, good. Yes.
yes,
We have two
there are
types.
natural indicators and synthetic
Or
indicators.
artificial indicators. Yes, good. Very
Yeah.
good. Next,
Okay.
the
Indicators which are naturally occurring from the nature are called as natural indicators.
very
For
good.
example, we have litmus solution and turmeric.
Even we have, I think even China rose,
Sir,
hydrangea.
we have many, sir,
Beetroot.
many indicators, but I have included only 2 for both the things.
Okay. No problem.
But we have generally for China rose also for our portions.
Yes. I think you have all notes.
China rose, beetroot.
Yes.
Yes,
China rose is
also called as hibiscus.
Yes. Hibiscus is a
There are
scientific
also
name.
shoe plants, sir.
Yes. It is the hibiscus is
shoe
the scientific
flower.
name. Shoe flower. Yeah, exactly.
Then the indicators
Class
which
இல்லையே
are man-made are also known as
8:15
artificial and synthetic
இன்னும்ப்பா
indicators.
5 நிமிஷம்
For
இருக்குல்ல
example, we have
அது இருக்கட்டும் நிறைய
phenolphthalein and methyl orange.
Yes. And Sirao, can I ask
8:15
one question?
8:15
Yes, sir.
8:15
Which indicator is indicator or base indicator?
ஹெட்ஃபோனை மாட்டேன் நல்ல
Sir,
டவுட்டா
acid indicator.
It is the AC indicator. They are the which type? They are the organic acid or organic base, phenolphthalein.
Sir, organic acid.
Phenolphthalein organic acid. They will give the S plus sign.
Is a base indicator, no, sir?
No, it is both acid indicator, base both indicator.
Acid base indicator.
It is also acid base, but phenolphthalein itself is organic acid.
But
And
actually, it has a chemical formula C20H14O4, an organic compound of phenolphthalein family. There are indicators, but they will actually have pH above 9, like that.
Yes, sir. That we will discuss later on. Okay. And methyl orange is the organic acid organic base.
Sir, methyl orange is also like phenolphthalein, weak acid.
No, methyl orange is the weak base. Okay, phenolphthalein is the organic acid and methyl orange is the organic base.
Yes, sir.
They are the organic base. Okay, but they will give you the indicator for acid also and base also. So we have
Both
to
are
use.
acid base indicators, sir. But
Both are there.
but
But actually,
phenolphthalein is a weak acid. Here, methyl orange is a weak acid.
yes. Actually, in natural form,
Okay,
right?
sir. Okay, sir.
Yes. Good. Very good.
Excuse me, sir. Sir,
Yes.
Samiksha, sir. Now
Yes.
join, sir.
Uh-huh.
Get down, sir.
What happened?
Please enable today's recording. My network.
Yes. Okay. I will just enable the recording after the call. Right? Don't worry.
Thank you so much, sir.
No, don't worry. Yeah. I will do that. Yes.
Yes. Then we will now see about the color changes in the indicators.
Yes. What are the color changes?
We will see names of the indicator: litmus,
Yes.
methyl orange, phenolphthalein, and
And
turmeric.
turmeric, yes.
Colors in acidic solution and colors in basic solution.
Yes.
Litmus change red, and in basic it will change blue.
Wow. Very
And
good.
in methyl orange, generally we will see about pink or orange or red color. In colors in basic solution, we will always have a strong yellow color.
Yellow color. Yes.
And for phenolphthalein, it's colorless in acidic solution, whereas it's pink color in basic solution.
Very good. And
Here, turmeric will change yellow color in acidic solution and it turn red in basic solution.
and yes. When you apply the base or soap, it becomes very good. Very good.
But here there is one point you should note down. Here, this litmus and turmeric are natural as told, and methyl
They are the synthetic indicator. Exactly. They are the artificial indicator, and this is natural indicator. Very good. Litmus you will get from the which plant?
Lichens.
Lichens, which is a symbiotic algae, na? Which is the same.
Yes, sir. It goes with algae, sir.
Algae and fungi.
Algae.
It's a
Which
symbiotic
algae?
of algae
I
and
think.
fungi.
Which algae it is? I think blue green, na?
Yes, sir. Blue green
Blue green algae.
Blue-green algae is not algae, it is a bacteria, right?
Yes, sir. They are symbiotic relationship with.
Fungi, sir.
No, blue-green algae is a bacteria, I think. It's not algae. Yes?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
No, blue-green algae is not algae. We are writing
They are
blue-green
type.
algae.
We will say it's as
They are
thing, but
bacteria.
actually they are type of an organism.
Algae means it is a bacteria. You know bacteria, na? I think
Uh-huh.
you can ask with the ma'am also. If blue-green algae is the what? Is the bacteria or algae? I think algae we have red algae, blue-green algae, and no, red algae, green algae, and brown algae. Blue-green algae is a bacteria. It is a bacteria. It's not an algae.
Yes, sir. I
Why?
think it is bacteria, sir. Because
Ah,
in my school I have studied that
ah,
this blue green algae also can do autotrophy.
ah.
So it is bacteria only, sir.
So it is a symbiotic relationship between the bacteria and the fungus, right?
So
So
we have studied about indicators and color changes in indicators.
yes,
Next
yes.
topic we will go about normality and pH.
Yes, good. How to find the pH of the yes.
Concept